What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video basically I install some door strip that I purchased on Amazon. So these guys are the door strip. I put a link in the description so you guys can look at these, and these are very thick rubbers. I'm going to show you guys in a few. So basically I install them around the car, so I'm showing you guys right now. So I take off these from the car and show you guys how to install it and how it basically look. Alright, so these are the one that's on it. So it's on it for quite some time now. So I basically want to install these black one. So these are basically some thicker one, as you guys can see right here. So I'm going to install these on it. So when you look guys, I'm going to strip off off the mirror off of it and do some cleaning and make you guys see the process. Alright guys, so they are basically off right now. As you guys can see, the door is a bit dirty. I'm gonna clean it off. I'm gonna clean off this dirt. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. So basically I install it, also run my trunk.